Hello there, my friends, and we're checking out all these features on the new 2026 Hyundai Tucson Limited. And so here's a place where you can leave a voice memo, apparently. No recording saved. Okay, let's leave a voice memo. Hello there, this is my first voice memo ever on my new 2026 Tucson Hybrid Limited. Stop. Saved. Okay. So now what can we do? So why would you even want to do this? Well, maybe you see a license plate number or something like that. You want to remember in case somebody hits and run you. I always think about stuff like that. It's terrible. Or, maybe you just have an idea. You're writing your novel and you have an idea. So let's go here and I guess we just press this. 2026 Tucson Hybrid Limited. Okay, and then I guess you would do that to skip to the next one, go back to a previous one, trash it right there. Hello there, this is my first voice memo ever on. You can go back to the screen and pause it, play it again. Oh, I am totally putting Hybrid Limited a music file in there. I'm going to definitely record something what should I record? Like the Imperial March, and then that way I always have it here, and I can just hit voice memo and play dun 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 dun. That'd be awesome. All right, well, that's one feature, the voice memo feature. If you guys wanted to know how to use that, send me links, send me comments, send me information, questions, and I'll put more information here about this wonderful new vehicle that we just got. 76 miles on it so far. Hope you guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Thanks for subscribing.